How do you control whether it goes up or down?
You pull the cable.
Oh, so it's been changed a little bit. Normally with those, you just pull the cable and it starts moving.
No,
Interesting.
No, all these are operated this way here. And it just takes to the different floors.
Interesting. So you pull it one way to go up, then you hit the button, it'll go up.
Yes.
So, oh, interesting. I've never seen that before.
Stop here, then you're at the top floor. So
Stops
then if you
on
wanna,
its
yeah, it'll stop on its own, but then you want to go back down, you have to move, you know, you just have to move the,
I see. Oh, wow. It's all lucky up here.
and then you just, it's just an old style freight elevator. Move the cable the other way. It shifts the winch into the other position, and then down you go.
Yeah, it's
Interesting.
probably over 100 years old, I'd say.
Oh, I don't know how old the shaft is. Of course, I don't know how long the motor is, but you know the motor's got to be at least 50 years old.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds original.
Yeah. So.
Thank you for showing us this.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah, I've never seen one that works like that. That's an interesting way of having it. It's like a lot of the times when they replace these, what they'll do is they just get rid of the rope altogether and put two buttons in, and you just hold one to go up to hold the other to go down.
Oh, no, yeah.
Care if I just get a close-up shot of this?
Yeah, go
part?
right ahead. Yeah,
Thank you,
go
thank
right
you.
ahead.
Otis.
It's just a,
That's like the emergency phone in
I
there.
don't know. It's just the control box.
Oh,
Is all it is.
Wonder why they have that in a box. Maybe people don't mess with it. Interesting. Anyway.
Want to get a
That?
shot looking at the shaft?
Oh yeah, we'll do. Look at that view. Anyway, that will be it.